Hello YouTube, what's up? It's Jackintosh7 and today I will be showing you guys how to upgrade your RAM in your Mac Mini. Now this pretty much applies for all the models. So if this is the 2011 model, or the late 2011 model, or the late 2010 model. I'm not exactly sure because I know that they changed it from having an optical drive. So I'll put it really is the same for every model. So what you're going to want to do first is make sure that everything is unplugged, especially the power. So make sure all the wires are unplugged. So I tucked mine underneath here because my desk is a mess. So what we're going to do first is, let me just show you the RAM. Those of you who don't know what RAM is and you just want to watch this video just to watch it, this is RAM. Alright, RAM usually it stands for random access memory. And what it does is it basically stores random information. So when you minimize a program or an application, and you open it back up and it saves your spot, that's all RAM right there. So the more RAM is always the best. So your Mac Mini, the options that you get, it comes with 2 or 4. I got the 2. And then what I did was I put 8 in it. 8 is the max it can go, which kind of stinks, but whatever. So I have 8 in it right now, so I'm just gonna take it out and put it back in and show you guys how to do that. So first things first, you're gonna want to flip your Mac over, and you're gonna want to find the little dots right here. You see these little dots? I'm zooming in. These little dots. You want to turn this to this dot right here. And then this little bottom tray should fall out. So, like that. There we go. And this is the guts of your Mac Mini. So I'll just go over some of the main parts. Right here is your airport wireless. So this is your wireless card, which gives you Wi-Fi. Right here, this is a fan that exhausts it out right here. I'm not sure if the CPU is under here. It might. I don't think so. I think it's on the other side of the logic board. But right here is your RAM, and your hard drive is over here behind this. So what we're gonna do is we are going to press these little tabs like this. All right, pull out on these little tabs, both of them. Okay. And it should pop over like that, and then just grab it and take it out. Alright, so now for the last one, it's kind of tricky. You're just going to want to take the back one out now by pressing, and it happens like that. Now what you want to make sure you do is do not touch anywhere else on it. Just don't touch the gold, don't touch anywhere, just touch the sides, alright? If you can help it. So there we go. So as you can see, the RAM is now out. Here it is. I got mine from OWC. I forget what it stands for, but yeah, that's a really great website. Highly recommend it. It's got dust on my computer. Alright guys, so that's really it. I'm taking it out. Now we have to put it back in. So it doesn't really matter which one you take in. Put in first. So we're gonna take this one and put it back in first. Alright, so we're gonna take this and we're gonna lay it. You might want to lay your Mac down, but you're probably not gonna be able to see it very well. So I'm gonna try to adjust the camera. So now, oopsie, that's not good. Now what we're gonna want to do is we are going to want to try to get it in here in the bottom. It's really simple to do this. You can really just follow the directions. So as you can see, when you put it in, the last one goes first. So this position is probably better for you guys to see. It's very simple. So make sure you line these little notches up too. You'll see them right here. That's very important. You can break your RAM if you do not line them up. So once it's lined up, you can push in, push down, and then push back until you hear it click. That's how you know it's in. All right, now for the last one, make sure the notches are lined up. All right, we're gonna push down and then we're gonna push back and make sure that's in, and it looks like it's in. All right, so now what we have to do is make sure that it is it recognizes it. So to make sure we put it in the right way and all that stuff. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna attach everything back on, attach all the cables back, put the panel back on. You never want to start this with the panel off because it's on the bottom. So usually with most desktop computers it's okay, you can just start it with the side panel off, but I wouldn't do it because this is the bottom pedestal and the fan would be spinning right on the your desk. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to just plug this in and see if it recognizes our RAM. If it doesn't, alright. It's also in the owner's manual how to install it and stuff and what it takes. So I'll have all that in the description for those of you too lazy to look at it. But yeah, so it's turning on right now. We got my dual monitors right now. So yeah, we are going to go to the top right hand corner where the Apple is. Click on that and we are going to want to go to About This Mac, and we are going to want to go to memory and see how much memory we have. This is our RAM right here. So as you can see it says I have 8 gigabytes, so that means it recognizes that I have 8 gigabytes installed. So, which is good because now it recognized that I have 8 gigabytes in my Mac. That's what I had in it originally. When I took it out and put it back in, so everything worked fine because each RAM module that I have in my Mac right now is 4 gigabytes. So 4 times 2 is 8. There you go. So if you hit more info, it'll tell you the layout that you have. So like the configuration. So we'll go to memory and see it says your Mac contains two memory slots, each of which accepts at 1333 megahertz DDR3 memory modules. So all memory slots are currently in use. So if this didn't work for you, and only one wasn't showing up, that means one of their sticks might be dead, or you didn't install it properly. If none of them show up, then you double check it again. It shouldn't even start up if you don't have any RAM, I don't think. I'm not positive. I'm not gonna try it out. But that's really it.